Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial, an easy way to do maths. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial. Today's topic is Class 8, Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.4. Ninth sum. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Solution. Let us assume that the age of grandfather is X years. Given that grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Therefore, grandfather's age is equal to 10x years. Also given that he is 54 years older than his granddaughter. Therefore, grandfather's age is equal to x plus 54 years. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. In first, what they given is 10 years older than. So, 10 into x. Second time, what they given 54 years older than. So, x plus 54 years. Now, these two are grandfather's age. So, these two are equal. So, 1 is equal to 10x is equal to x plus 54. I am bringing this x this side. So, 10x minus x is equal to 54. 10 minus 1 is 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to, I am bringing this 9 here. 9 6 are 54. 6 is the answer. What is 6? That is grandfather's age. That is 6 years. Grandfather's age is equal to 10x. That is 10 into 6. This is granddaughter's age. That is x. First we assume that x. So here 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. Next, 10th sum. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. We don't know the age of Aman's son. So, let us assume his age be x years. So, let us assume son's age is equal to x years. Given that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Therefore, Aman's age is equal to 3 into x because it is 3 times. Also given 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago, their ages means 10 years before. So, how son's age is equal to x minus 10 years. Aman's age is 3x minus 10 years. 10 years ago means we have to subtract 10. 10 years after means we have to add 10. Aman was 5 times his son's age. So, what is it before 10 years? His father was 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x minus 10. This is son's age. So, 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x. 5x minus 5 into 10, 50. I am sending this 3x to that side. Minus 10 is equal to 5x. This 3x, it becomes minus 3x minus 50. I am bringing this constant term here. So, here minus becomes plus 50 minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So, 2x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40 by 2, 20. So, son's age is equal to x, that is 20 years. Aman's age is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. Next, exercise 2.5. First Roman. Solve the following linear equations. First one, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Solve means we have to find the value of x. See here, directly I am doing LCM here. 2 5s are 10. Here, multiplied this 2. 5 into x, 5x. 1 into 2, 2. Otherwise, first we have to make the denominators equal. So, we have to multiply with this 5 this one with 2. So what is the first one? X by 2 into 5 by 5. So 5x by 10. And the second one 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into this denominator 2, that is 2 by 2. 2 by 10. Now we have to subtract this one. That is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to, instead of x by 2 what we got? 5x by 2 per 10 minus 2 by 10. So the denominators are equal, then we have to subtract the numerators 5x minus 2 by 10. This I done here directly. How? Multiplied these two and cross multiplication, 5 into x 5x, 2 into 1 2. And RHS side x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So with 4 I am multiplying this, x by 3 into 4 by 4, that is 4x by 12. Next 1 by 4 into with this 3. So 3 by 12. Now this addition. So x by 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal, instead of x by 3 we got 4x by 12 here. Instead of 1 by 4 we got 3 by 12. So the denominators are equal. I am adding the numerators 4x plus 3. Now what is the LHS value? We got 5x minus 2 by 10 is equal to RHS value 4x plus 3 by 12. I am sending this 10 that side. It is dividing here and it goes that side, multiplies. So into 10. Cancellation, 2 5s are 10, 2 6. So 4x plus 3 into 5 by 6. This as it is 5x minus 2. Now I am bringing this side 6. So 6 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 3 into 5. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 4 5s are 20x, 5 3s are 15. So 30x minus 20x, because I am bringing this 20x this side, becomes minus 20x is equal to 15, and minus 12 constant term I am sending that side, so plus 12. So 10x is equal to 15 plus 12, 27. That implies x is equal to 27 by 20. That is the solution of the equation.